In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post your first post on Substack. We'll walk through each step to help you understand and navigate your way around the platform with ease and confidence. To begin, head over to the Substack homepage. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, which serves as the hub for creating your posts. It's where all the magic begins. Look for the option that says New Post. By clicking on this, you'll be taken to the heart of your content creation journey. In the post creation section, you'll find prompts to start a new text post. This is where you'll be crafting the heart and soul of your newsletter piece. Let's start with your post's title. Take a moment to think carefully about this because it's the first thing your audience will see. You want it to be both engaging and reflective of your post's content. Once you finalize the title, move on to the subtitle. A well-crafted subtitle not only complements your title but also provides an additional hook, offering more insight into what the reader can expect. It's another opportunity to draw your audience in and keep them curious. Next, focus on a brief description or introduction. This should be a concise preview that captures the essence of your post while enticing your audience to delve deeper into your content. Think of it as a teaser that piques interest and sets the stage for your main message. Once you're satisfied with your title, subtitle, and description, you'll see a Continue button. Click on it to move forward. Now it's time to choose your audience. You can send your post to everyone, or restrict it to paid subscribers only. This decision impacts your reach and engagement, so it's important to consider your goals. Whether you're aiming to build a broad audience or cultivate a dedicated paying subscription base, choose the option that best aligns with your objectives. Additionally, decide whether to allow comments on your post. Enabling comments can foster community interaction and engagement, so be prepared to moderate and respond as subscribers engage with your content. Consider adding tags to your post. Tags help organize your content and make it more discoverable to new audiences who share interests in the topics you cover. Choose tags that are both descriptive and relevant to enhance the visibility of your post. If you're not quite ready to publish your post immediately, Substack allows you to schedule it for a later date. This feature is excellent for planning and ensures that your content reaches your audience at just the right time, without requiring you to be online at that specific moment. Finally, when you're ready, click Send to Everyone. Your post will make its way to the inboxes of your chosen audience, ready to be read and appreciated. And there you have it, simple steps to create and publish your first Substack post. With this guide, you're well on your way to sharing your voice and stories with the world. Happy writing!